Welcome to Around the World on 8 Plates. In this series, we're going to visit different countries and introduce these countries to you. We're also going to teach you how to cook signature dishes from these countries and interview locals from these countries so that you can have a better understanding of what these countries are all about.
In this season,
so far, we've traveled from the Czech Republic to Oman, from Oman to India, from India to Uganda,
and from Uganda to Australia.
Then from Australia to Vietnam, then from Vietnam to Argentina. As you can see, we have already traveled to 7 different countries, and we are 1 country shy of completing the 3rd season of Around the World on 8 Plates, and 1 country shy of circumnavigating the world.
Where are we going next?
On this episode of Around the World on 8 Plates, we're going to a new country.
So which country are we visiting today? Well, we started this season with the Czech Republic, or Czechia, and now we are going to a neighboring country. And now here's the punny monologue time. So for today's punny monologue, we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to sing a Serbian song. That's right, a song from Serbia. Serbia is not the country we're going to teach you today, by the way. So I'm going to sing a song from Serbia, and then listen carefully to the lyrics, and you will hear the name of the capital of the city. Bratislava, 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 Bratislava. More, velika sreća postoji, autonomni sistem. Eno na kontroli srce kuca, srce samo kuca. Nasija, šet, broj, šet. Vytvorí se imeno na broje, srce samo kuca, daj im poverenje, neka samo kuca, daj im poverenje, neka kuca, neka piše Bože slavlja, Bože slavlja, Bože slavlja. Bože slavlja, njen križi. Plakati da mi prate, da mi grili, umaci se ne urede, ne reši se to nabije. Umemoće može biti strava, biti strava, biti strava, biti strava, biti strava, biti strava, biti strava. Može. Bratislava means to be healthy in Serbian, but it also sounds like the capital city of the country that we're going to feature today. Bratislava sounds like, still can't figure it out? It's okay. We are going to the country of
the Slovak Republic with its capital city, Bratislava. And for today's recipe, we're making the praženi sír, or fried cheese. And we will interview someone from the Slovak Republic to have a better understanding of this country. Presented to you by National Taiwan Normal University, Common Core Education Committee, Foreign Language Education Division. Now, one of the best places to visit in Slovak Republic is the Bratislava Castle. Here are some of the reasons why it is so popular. Reason 1, food. It is close to some of the more popular restaurants in Bratislava. Reason 2, skating. Nearby, there's an outdoor skating rink where you can go skating during winter. Third reason, views. From there, you can see the beautiful Danube River and the view of the city below. The fourth reason is history. When you go there, you will see lots of historical sites and buildings. And the last reason is convenience. It is just about 40 to 1 hour from Vienna, Austria, and it is close to the main square of Bratislava. During Christmas, you can also go shopping at the Christmas bazaar in the town square. Before we learn how to cook today's dish, let us try to understand today's country better. Let's quickly learn more about this beautiful country. Now it's time to learn how to cook today's dish. Here is a list of ingredients. You will need half a cup of mozzarella cheese, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, flour half a cup, breadcrumbs half a cup, and cooking oil for deep frying. Okay, so here's step 1. Mix the flour with some water and the salt and the black pepper. Then you mix everything and you prepare the batter. The second step is to slice the cheese. You can slice the cheese in any shape you want. So some people like it to be sliced into strips. The next step is to prepare the cheese for frying. So you dip the cheese in the batter and then coat everything in the breadcrumbs. Now you deep fry the cheese in the oil and then after a few minutes take it out and there you have it. The recipe for fried cheese or vypražaný syr. In case you need it, here is a written recipe for today's dish. If you enjoy my content, please like and subscribe to get video recipes. Anyway, enough talking, here is the written recipe. Now it's time to invite our special guest to appear on the show and tell us more about the beautiful country of the Slovak Republic. So let's all welcome Mr. Adam Rakovan.
So what's special about Slovakia?
What's special? So we have really nice mountains.
Okay.
Not as here in Czech Republic, better, yeah, higher. We have special places with sheep and with cheese and so on. But it is on the north of Slovakia.
Yeah, okay.
Of course, Bratislava. There is
The
quite
castle.
nice,
Yeah.
quite nice, small
Yep.
city center.
Yep.
In the south, there are many bars.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so you can in thermal.
Yeah.
So you can visit many places with very good water to spend time in spa. And what else? We have almost half of country are mountains.
Okay.
There are so many places you can visit.
Oh, nice,
Yeah.
nice.
But it is for hiking.
Okay.
Yeah, mainly not for. Slovakia is not so build it as the Czech Republic, because the Czech Republic was always a little bit higher and modern
Yeah.
and technologically more developed.
Okay.
So
Because
there are many places with old buildings from end of 18th century. Yeah.
Nice.
In Slovakia, it is smaller. It is not so big and huge because
Yeah.
the country was quite poor.
Okay.
Because we usually made food, field and so on.
Yeah.
But here in Czech Republic, there were traditionally technological centers and everything. From
okay.
80s. They're
Yeah.
from 18th century.
Yeah.
So and what else? So mountains are really nice. I think so. Food is a little bit different.
Oh, it's just a little different.
Special Slovak food is halušky. It's something like small dumplings.
Okay.
With
Okay.
the sheep cheese.
Okay.
Yeah. The special cheese of sheep. His name is brinza. But yeah, so they have halušky with brinza.
Yeah.
It means dumplings with. It is the traditional food. And what else? What you can because the most highest mountains, the name is High Tatras. They are in the north and a little bit on the east side.
Okay.
Very close to Poland.
Okay.
Poland.
Yeah.
So on the south,
Yeah.
there is how do you say
Plains.
plains and
Yeah.
fields, and there are spas.
Okay.
Spas
Yeah.
are there, so you can go there.
Oh, nice.
It is close to Hungary, and they have the special Hungary kitchen.
Yep.
Yeah, so you can eat some spicy more.
Paprika.
And so on.
This is the end of Season 3. We will continue with Season 4. Where are we going next to start the new season? Well, you'll have to stay tuned and wait till the first week of May as we upload another episode of Around the World on 8 Plates. Where are we going next to start the new season? Well, you'll have to stay tuned and wait till the first week of May as we upload another episode of Around the World on 8 Plates.